Number 1, pronunciate like long E in words he, she, we, me. Number 2, pronunciate like A in words tan, pat, get, set. Number 3, pronunciate like A, like her, person, verb. And number 4 is ear in words like ear, near, fear, ear. And number 5 is small e in words like English, defend, relief, believe, receive. And number 6 in often, often, happen, moment, parent. And number 7 is a, wait, at, when. And number 8 is I, height, I, slight. And number 9 is here, there, where. And don't forget to check out other video by clicking here and share.